Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial video on how to fix Instagram Music no results found issue. I'm Yakin from Create Login and Delete, and let's get started. So whenever you're facing this issue, make sure the first thing you do is to check whether you have a good and stable internet connection or not. Instagram requires a strong and stable internet connection to function properly. So make sure you're properly connected to your internet. And if the internet connection is good, then the next thing to check is whether you have the latest version of the application or not. So to check that, head to your Google Play Store or an App Store and search for Instagram and see if any update is available. And if there is, then simply click on the update button. Once the app has been updated, try searching for your music once again. If the issue still persists, then the next thing to do is clearing Instagram's cache. For that, open up your phone settings and now scroll down and tap on apps. From here, you can search for Instagram directly. Tap on it. Now click on storage. Now to clear the cache, tap on clear cache button at the bottom right and see if that fixes the issue. But if that doesn't help, then the next thing you could do is reinstall your Instagram application. Just uninstall it and reinstall it once again. And if that doesn't fix the issue either, then the only option that you got is contacting Instagram customer support and see if they can help with the issue. So yeah, that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.